Cold day fading, winter breath on the skyline. Snow dust glitter on the rooftops, fine like timeline. Feet crunch ice while the daylight dips, and the sky writes poetry with feather tipped scripts. I look up, whole flocks dancing arcs, moving as one like they're stitching up the dark. Patterns on the dust like a cosmic pulse, and the quiet that it brings, man, it washes the soul. I inhale the calm as the city goes numb, heartbeat sinking with the flutter of the drum.
Let the world keep spinning while I stand right here, 'cause the murmuration magic makes the noise disappear. In the winter dusky rise, they turn wings like whispers as the shadows burn. Fading daylight in a gentle flow, and it calms me deep in the soul. They paint the sky with a quiet grace, 1,000 heartbeats in a single place. When the world feels heavy, they make me whole. Oh, the murmurations healing soft and slow.
Step back, breathing, feel the frost on the air. Life's weight feels lighter with the motion up there. Every swirl is a message, every shift a prayer. A reminder there's beauty even when despair is near. Like a silent symphony above the streets. Harps in the breeze, black wing beats. Nature pure power mixed with tranquil peace. Rolling low and bass reeds underneath my feet. Let the murmurs turn my worries into snow.
Falling, fading, drifting slow. In the echo of the wings I can finally let go. Winter dust healing from the sky, soft glow. Winter dust healing from the sky, soft glow. In the winter dust they rise, they turn wings like whispers as the shadows burn. Fading daylight in a gentle flow, and it calms me deep in the soul. They paint the sky with their quiet grace, 1,000 heartbeats in a single place. When the world feels heavy, they make me whole. Oh, the murmurations healing soft and slow.
Frozen breath streams in the fading light, but my mind feels warm in the edge of night. Watching silhouettes fold, break, unite, like thoughts rearrange until the world feels right. It's a wordless guide through the winter's hold, a reminder the movement keeps the spirit bold. Life flows better when you loosen the control. Ride the rhythm of the wings, let the chaos unfold. Their patterns melt into the shape of peace, a moment where the grinding of the world can cease, and the dust paints hope where the doubts increase. There a storm may calm, there a soul relief. Night creeps in, but the quiet still hums like a soft heartbeat from 1,000 drums. And I'm centered again where the cold wind numbs, but the beauty overhead is where the calmness comes. If life is a storm, this is where it breaks, where the sky reminds me what balance takes. Every dip, every rise, and the shape they make feels like peace, emotion, no, not a mistake. So I stand in the chill till the last one fades, till the ink blue sky swallows all their shades, holding on to that hush their magic made, a gift from the dusk where the soul feels safe.
In the winter dust